Zelly mode. Let me just turn it on, and now you can see what it is. This is like we are running our operating system in water. So hello guys, welcome back, and this video is going to be very important for you. So in this video I'm going to tell you about a new operating system which is 3 months old. Most important thing, this is an alternative of Windows and Mac OS, and it is Linux based operating system which have complete look and feel of Windows and Mac OS. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install it and make a bootable USB. All those things I'm going to tell in this, and after installing I will go through the complete operating system and explore all the things in that, and it also have paid and free version. Okay, so let me just open their website. So this operating system is Zorin OS 16. So here you will see some paid option like $39. So in this you will get premium desktop layout like Mac OS, Windows 11, Classic, Ubuntu and other standard layouts. So you can customize your complete look, and some other productivity advanced tool you can get, but we are not going to install it. It's been a 3 months to launch this operating system, so first try the free one, and after that if you like then you can use this paid version. Okay, so you can see here many more options like Ziron 16 OS Core. This is for basic modern computers, and Ziron OS Lite for 15-year-older PCs, right? You can see the picture, but we are going to download this one. Just click on this download and click this skip to download, and you can see it is start downloading. Currently I have downloaded it, so I don't want to waste your time here. And for making bootable USB you need to download their one tool, and let me just first show you the requirement. You can see here view system requirement, and you will see here like 1 GHz dual core Intel processor or AMD processor, 2 GB RAM and 15 GB external storage. Okay, so resolution you can also see, and for Lite you can see the requirement, very low requirements, right? And I would say definitely you need to try this. And here you can see you need a 1 USB flash drive. If you are installing Pro and Education you need to 8 GB pen drive, and if you installing Core and Lite then definitely 4 GB. Okay, so I will put all these links in description. You can directly go here. Just click on this download vanilla etcher. This is a file which will create a bootable USB, and here you will see some other options like Mac OS and Linux and all that. So we are going to download for Windows. Okay, so go into this folder and just double click on it and run this file. So you can see your USB drive is showing here. You can change also, like click here and select, and what you need to do, just select that ISO which you have downloaded. Just click on flash from file. Okay, so now file just selected, just click on flash, and now this is going to create Zorin OS bootable USB. Okay, so after making bootable and after installing, I will show you how it's look like. So now you can see flash complete and all things are just done, and you have bootable USB of Zorin OS. So just close it. Okay, so just restart your system and press your boot menu key. Okay, so now after restart you will see this kind of option like try to install Ziron OS, and if you want to install Ziron OS on NVIDIA drivers then you can install it, but default it will install Ziron OS 80% complete, and it's just copying some important files to this. Very good sound. Here you can see simple setup like choose your language. You can try Ziron OS without making any changes to your computer directly from this CD or USB drive. You can also try this, but we are going to clean install, so just click on install Ziron OS. So here you need to select your keyboard language like English, which is already selected, and click continue. So here you will see two options like download updates while installing Zorin OS, and install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and additional media format. Okay, so let it be selected and click continue. And it's a very simple and straightforward setup. You don't need to worry about anything. It's very simple to install. So installation type you can see erase disk and install Zorin OS. So it will do clean install. So just click on install now. So here we'll see which drive is going to format here, like following partition are going to format it. Okay, so just click continue, and it is asking for your location, like where are you, and now you have to enter your name, computer name, username, password and all that. Okay, so let me fill all these things. And now you can see installation complete. Just restart now. And now you can see your lock screen. Just click on your name and enter your password, which you have entered while creating your account. So now you can see Zorin OS just installed, and whenever you click on this start button, and now you can see start menu just look like Windows 11. And I already told you it's just a combination of Mac OS and Windows, and it's just Linux based operating system. Here you can see accessories, click on it, you will see files, map and all that. Okay, so here you can see games you can also play here, and graphics things. In this you will see here pre-installed some apps, and here system tools, settings or power statics. Okay, so what we are going to do here, just go to Zorin appearance. Let's see what is here. Now you can see here some layouts. It is by default selected, then you can see like this, and let me select this in a list view. This is also just same. I don't see any changes here, only taskbar is changing and nothing else. Okay, just select this Mac one, and now it seems like we are using Android OS, right? So you can see many more apps here, Firefox and other things are pre-installed. Okay, so one by one we are going to explain in next video, but in this I just told you how to install. And here are some themes like dark mode and light mode. Okay, so I'm going to select this dark mode, and now bam, you can see it's look pretty good. And at the same time you can change the color. Okay, accent color depends upon you which one you like. Interface, and now you are going to love this feature, Zelly mode. Let me just turn it on, and now you can see what it is. This is like we are running our operating system in water. This is pretty amazing, and whenever you minimize it, it will give you Mac OS look, right? That's why I'm saying this is a mixture of Windows and Mac OS, and you can just play around this because many more things to do here. Okay, so I'm not going to tell you each and everything in one video. I just show you some important and interesting thing, so you can also try this, right? So okay guys, that's it for the video. If you like this video, so just hit the like button and do subscribe if you are new on this channel.